Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to do Whatnot auctions work. Firstly, launch your live stream either in the Whatnot app or in a web browser, and then tap the store icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now under the auction tab, select the item you want to put up for bidding. Just tap Start to set auction details. Enter your starting bid, the lowest price you're willing to sell the item for, and set the time duration for how long the auction will run. And optionally, you can enable sudden death mode. Toggle on sudden death if you want the auction to end immediately with the last bid, preventing extended bidders wars. And finally, tap Start Auction and your item is now live for bidding. Keep your audience engaged while the auction runs by showing the item on camera, highlighting its feature, and encouraging bids. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.